Hey, what's going on YouTube? Grass Nectar in the house. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. See, I got a couple new subscribers. Today, I wish I were in front of you for some good circumstances, but unfortunately, my truck broke. You know, with this truck being used, it's great. It had very low miles. I thought I was doing the right thing by purchasing low miles, but you know, there's little things, and for the most part, the truck mechanically and engine wise, transmission wise has been fine. But I'm not sure if I video this or whatever, but the wiring harness on my rear door kind of like broke, and it was throwing off the light like a rear door was open. So I got a wiring harness and I fixed that. And then fast forward to a couple of days back, and the door thing was like maybe like 2-3 months ago. Since then, nothing has happened to this. This is a 2013 Ford F-150 FX4. You know, like when I was driving, all of a sudden the rear lock differential turned on. And this can be an issue because, you know, obviously you don't want it on when when you don't need it. You know, when you're trying to park in a mall, you know, you don't need that jerking. Okay. So basically what would happen anytime I drove under 20 miles an hour, the rear lock differential would just turn on randomly. And the only way to fix it, you know, while I was driving, is just to kind of like push down on it. You know, every time I would push like here, it would turn off. So what I did was research online like I always do. Okay. And what I ended up doing was just kind of like, let me show you a couple things first. Okay. So let me see. Okay. So there's a couple ways to get to where I'm at here. Okay. What I did was basically kind of break this piece, and once I had this here, I was able to undo this tab, undo this tab. There's 3 tabs total, and I was able to pull this to get to that harness here is what I need. Okay, so I did that. The other things that I was doing too was I was trying to get to this by removing these 2 bolts here, which is like a 932. You know, but that ain't giving much wiggle room, so that's why I did this method. Otherwise, the correct way to do it is to kind of remove all this to get to this here, and then remove a bolt here, and then you get to the back of that. That's a lot of work. So basically, I'm here, and what I'm gonna do is just unplug this. Let me set you guys down. All right, so here's the thing. That's where it plugs into. All right, let me put you guys here. Got this. This is part number AL3Z-14B166-BA. Okay, this is for 2013 Ford F-150. And then sure enough, guys, look what I got here. Exactly the same thing here. Okay, this is what I removed. Okay, this is the new knob. It should just be plug and play. Let me see. I'm not gonna be able to really record this too well. Hey, so I just wanted to apologize. As I'm editing this video, I noticed that I didn't really capture what you guys needed to see. So I was holding the phone with my mouth, but basically I just plugged in the harness and pushed it in. It's that simple. Alright guys, so that's the new piece. Alright, pulls out. That's rear lock differential. 4 high, 4 low. Okay, Before this was a little loose, so I'm liking that it's tight now. All right, so let's turn it on. Let's turn this bad boy on. All right. So right now it was throwing the signal. Before it would have been on. So this is a very good sign. Means that it's fixed. If I pull, that's good for high. Neutral for low. Okay. All right, guys. Looks like she is fixed. Alright guys, so just wanted to show you that that's fixed. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me show you something real quick. Check out this one right here. I know lighting's pretty bad, but redid the paint job on it. We did the paint job. No. Looks good, I think now. It's tough. I'll show you pictures of what it looked like before. I'll post them up here. But thanks. I mean, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.